Alright boys, this is what we're doing today. I'm literally gonna steal the front end of the EK truck. I know some people are gonna be like, oh, that worked, Doc. Well, I might go a different route. We could always get done parts, do it all over again. For the time being, trying to finish this car. So why not use the front end conversion on the new EK truck? That's what I'm going for today. I don't remove the bumper. This one is broken. It's 96 to 98, of course. It's a 98. So difference. Doesn't got the fog lights. Comparison wise. This one we already got the fog lights. They come factory the space, which we put the house in Yasimi. We got the CRX conversion lights. So yeah, I'm literally still in the whole front end of the car. Fenders, bumper, hood. Slowly put it in here so I could transform the car a little bit better. I wanted to save some bread and buy the fenders, the bumper and hood, but budget is tight and I want to use the car like ASAP and get it finished. We could always come back to the EK truck and do different things and just put more work in it. I guess more content. So stay tuned. So I'm also start with the front bumper, remove it, throw it in the front, see what modifications I gotta do. Because I remember on the truck itself I have to remove the bumper because the light was hidden. So I might have to cut the bumper and trim some so the fog light will fit in there. And I still have the radiator support. If it's gonna be a daily, I need the protection. Pause on that. So let me get it off. Throw it in, see what we're looking like. Alright boys, so I got the bumper on. I had to trim the bumper support and the corners. I didn't want to remove it like I did on the EK truck, that way so I got some safety structure wise. Got like little fitment issues that still got it clear. Obviously over here is the only difference from 96 to 98 from to 99 2000. It fits here perfect. This side so far is kind of flush. Remember, I still gotta switch out the fenders, the 2006 fenders and the hood. So this is just the bumper for the time being that I just put in right now. Trying to get my fitment correctly. Working over here in this gap. I think this metal here, the hose is a little messed up, so I might have to trim some. Again, this goes over here like that. Not much to it. Everything looking good. Just a matter of just taking my time, making it fit. But so far, I like the look on the EK Civic already. About to throw in the regular bumper on the EK truck, so it doesn't look plain. They don't start messing with me. And we'll carry on from there. All right boys, slowly getting there. We got the hood. I took out the fenders, hood and bumper of the EK truck. Keep it covered because I don't want to steal the chain from the truck. I know you're like, what the fuck, dog, you taking the parts. Don't worry about it. It's a work in progress. We will be coming back, so stay tuned. But this is how we're looking so far. Of course, this hood is far from perfect. Got a whole bunch of dents compared to the other one. It's an opening and closing hood. Couple dents, yeah, but we still gotta do body work, so nothing to it. I also put the no lights from here because the bumper with the light wasn't lined up, so I didn't want to scratch them, so I put the no lights here. So pretty much the whole front end from the EK truck and this side. I just gotta take out both fenders real quick and throw them in, and that should be it for the 2000 front end conversion. That I gotta tweak things in and line them up, of course, just like my bumper support that I have to trim that I told you guys in order to fit it here with the CRX fog lights. And this one I had to remove it completely. I didn't want to remove it this way. This one I wanted to keep it for safety, so little weight reduction. But overall, starting to take shape again. Got both fenders out. Gotta remove quickly these ones and switch it out. You can see the difference from 96 to 98. Lights never lined up. Just for everybody that, what's the difference between 96 and 99? Oh, 96 to 98, it changed. 99 to 2000, you guys see. This light is 96, 99, 2000. Fenders 96, 98. So, yeah. So, we're gonna throw the fenders in a few seconds and get them on. Alright, check it out, boys. Trying to go a little bit all out. Went to the hardware store, got me some spray. Primed the hood. That was on the EK truck, flat black. So by the time we done with the car, is one solid color. Still got the fenders to do with you guys in a little time lapse. Again, the hood's got a bunch of little dents. I may or may not fix it. Who knows? It's better than the hood that was there last time. I was gonna change the hood on that regardless. So that's why I figured I steal the 2000 front end from this one. When I get a little catch, I'll buy a brand new 2000 front end for this one. Hood, fenders, bumpers, pretty much the whole conversion to get it back up. For now, I'll keep the 98 on it. And on this one, we move on with the 99, so 2000, the 99 to 2000 conversion. Right by this time, I already told you that I'm gonna steal the 50/50s of the EK truck. Being that I got the whole set, might as well put that on the truck, see how it look, maybe a little different. Again, I could always get them back, no big deal. For now, I think the 50/50 99 to 2000 light from the Civic is gonna set it off, along with the whole front end of the 99 2000 conversion. So that we're gonna give it a SI look. Not ever a SI I'm intending to. I just want that look on it. So I'm gonna let this dry out, flash out. Obviously it's a little wet. It's flat black. So once it's flat black, no shine, it'll look better. Still got the fenders to do, so I'm gonna do that with you guys in a time lapse. Again, the fenders were not perfect. If you guys see, like little dents, I had to sand here. I got the holes from the flares, so it's like little imperfections. So why not use some here, being that I still gotta do body work here. That way by the time that I do the body work on this, and with that we could do and finish it. So that's why I want brand new stuff on that. And I don't know, with one stone we kill two birds, boys. So we're gonna get ready to prime this so we could let them dry out, throw them in on the EK, and the last thing we'll do today is paint the front bumper so we have everything in flat black and everything change over and converted to. With that being said, let's get it. All right, boys, this is drying. Got both of them flat black, so you're gonna let them dry so we could throw them in. Again, got like the pinholes from the flares to do, you know. We still got plenty of body work in the EK truck, so for now, it's pretty perfect. If we gotta go back and touch up things like that in the future, I'm okay with it. At least it's an OEM fender. They both in great condition. I don't mind the little TLC on it, just like the hood and the bumper. Now the only thing left I gotta do, paint the bumper and start throwing in the fender. Let's get it. Right, boys, so we're making slow progress. Apologies, haven't been recording much. I know I said I was gonna put it on a time lapse, but I'm enjoying the process. Just taking off, putting back, priming things. Sometimes it's better not to record everything. Enjoy your journey and maybe share what you can. This is how the bumper is looking, already in flat black. I love how the orange of the CRX fog light stands out along with the amber yellow of the 2000 fog light. Like, that's insane. It's a matter of just putting the fenders, which already got drying up, put in my headlights, and we are completed. All right, boys. So we got everything done, but Mother Nature got other plans. Happy Easter to everybody, by the way. But not much to complain. Look at the look on that car. It's just insane how the orange stands out and the yellow. It's like, hi. 2000 front end conversion. I wanted to finish it so bad. It's all completed. By the time you guys seen, I lined up everything. Rain got on me. I got the new headlights in there. Old ones are out. I cannot use those because those are for 96, 98. So I had to change everything. These are 99, 2000, just like the whole front end. But just check it out, man. Yeah. Looking good, boys. That I ain't even started the body work yet. It's just something that I wanted to do to improvise, to make the car look cleaner, more OEM, and stand out. I ain't gonna lie, the water does look good on it, boys. Fresh coat of flat black crane. Give it a new first watch. Yeah, got it on one solid coat. It's an OEM front. So yeah, I'm stoked. Definitely one of the kind, boys. Even though the bumper was intended for the EK truck, but we're gonna put it to a good use. When all the EKs out there, you know, it's gonna definitely jump out, stand out. I like how it's looking, boys. Accidentally scratched the bumper a little bit, but it's alright. Another day we could touch it up. So goody. The type of lip I was looking. Gets a low look. Also looks good with the fog light. Alright, boys. Time to wrap it up. This week, your boy is on fire. One video after another video after another video, you know what I'm saying? Self-motivate, keep motivated. You know, you get comfortable, things do not happen. I got this car less than a month. And we done so much on it, and we still got so much to do. But it feels good to have it at this stage. So fast, ready to move on with whatever we gotta do. Alright, boys, gonna wrap it up here. As you guys see, I would have loved to put the lights, tied up the bumper so it look even, but Mother Nature again have all the plans. Time to go relax, upload this video for you guys, and simply just chill. You know what I'm saying? You can dance to every song. Just remember that. The car is looking good. 2000 front end conversion completed. With that being said, I thanks and I appreciate single one of you that have subscribed, like, and comment. Till the next time, peace.